Cook,
Dalton's
Ariel,
Pancake
cook.
song.
Yeah.
Buy it on iTunes.
Cook,
Buy it
Ariel,
on SoundCloud.
Cook, Ariel, cook.
Okay.
Delicious.
You think we're ready?
All right.
Hey
What?
guys, what's going on?
What's going on today?
Today we are going to be doing the Pancake Art Challenge.
Pancake Art Challenge, combining two of my favorite things, arts and food.
Food.
In general, but
In
pancakes
general.
specifically.
Pancakes are awesome, and I'm super excited. Here's some of the things we're gonna create, guys. A fidget spinner, obviously. A unicorn.
Ooh, my favorite.
Iron Man.
Of course.
A Minion.
Yes.
And Ariel.
It's pretty hot.
More Pam. I'm just starting. Ooh, beautiful. It's fun. I don't know how this is gonna work out. Oh boy. It's okay.
This looks like 3 eggs who have tires around them.
You know, we don't even need a judge for this. I already lose. I give myself the loss. That's terrible. Guys, comment down below.
Who won?
Who won? Fidget spinner.
So, fidget spinner out of the way. Now we're doing Iron Man.
Okay. I see what you do. Flip!
Oh,
Teamwork!
that's good! Yours
Yes.
looks good.
Thank you so much! Okay, so are we giving that point to me?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You're getting that point, girl.
Okay, it's a tie. Unicorn.
Unicorn.
Oh man, this one looks complicated. Oh man, I'm so sorry, unicorn. What have I done to you? I also don't want my unicorn to burn. Oh boy, this is not going good. Why did I make the whole thing purple? Oh, why did I do that?
I don't know.
I'll put this
I
one.
might need some help too. Okay, wait.
Okay, let's do yours first. Ready?
Okay, go this way.
3,
2,
2,
1.
Go! Ah, dang. No, save. Dude, that's gorgeous. It looks like a bunny with luscious hair. 1,
2, 3. Oh no!
Hey, it's not bad. I mean, it's definitely not the right color, but it's
That's
not
good.
bad.
Look at the hair is
Thank
so
you.
nice.
I think we might need a judge on this one.
We might need a judge.
Yeah, because I think they're pretty alike.
I think it's a tie. What do you call
They
it?
do kind of look alike. They're
Put her
like
there.
cousins.
They're cousins.
Yeah, they're cousins.
Come from
There's a
different
tie.
parts of the
You're just
forest.
Petting your unicorn.
Just
There
petting my
you go.
unicorn.
Now let's. Oh, it's fine.
Throw the paper! Throw the paper!
Let's do Minion.
Ooh, let's do a Minion, yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah.
A lot of-
Man, this is hot.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's start with the overall. Nice. Gave no room for his feet. Okay.
This one is liquidy. No! No!
Oh, gloves. Okay, no, this one's terrible. It's okay.
We got it.
Oh, I forgot the smile. Man, mine was about to be mouthless.
Oh yeah, give me some gloves.
Oh, yours looks so good.
Okay, I'm gonna flip
Okay.
the little guy.
Got it?
Got you, little guy.
Oh yeah. Wow.
Whoa! Yeah!
That's really good. Okay, let's try mine. Ready? Okay, 1.
Hold it,
2,
hold it. 3.
3.
Oh!
That's not bad.
Yours is good.
That's not bad. Look, you can see the pocket. Oh, you can see yours pocket
Look
too.
at you. That might be another draw.
I think it might be a draw.
Way over there.
It's a tie. We're getting word. It's a tie.
It's a tie,
Okay.
people. Like that's the sound yours makes.
Yeah, yours is like.
Mine's like, okay. And yours is like, The final picture we're gonna do,
Is Ariel.
but the final drawing we're gonna do.
Is each other.
What? Oh yeah.
This is gonna be a tough one.
This is gonna be our most challenging
Oh yeah.
one yet.
Start with the tail.
Okay, now I'm working. She is just not gonna have eyes. I just realized. Just no eyes for her.
We'll do like a face. Oh boy. I think she has no neck. And her
Nope.
arms just go straight
It's gonna be
from her
nice and
face. Mine's still ginormous. I don't know what it is. I just make huge pancakes. I'm an overachiever.
that's good though.
Yeah. Wow. Luscious head of hair.
Cook, little one, cook. Cook, little one, cook. Cook it.
can
Cook it.
And cook
We
it.
can cook it. Oh yeah, it's hot. Oh yeah, it's delicious. Oh yeah, it's hot. Cook, Ariel, cook. Cook,
Dalton's
Ariel,
pancake
cook.
song.
Yeah.
Buy it on iTunes.
Cook,
Buy it
Ariel,
on SoundCloud.
Cook, Ariel, cook.
Okay.
Delicious,
You think
nutritious.
we're ready?
All right.
You ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, we decapitated
Oh,
her! No! Hey, but that's
good.
So bad.
You at least have eyes.
So now the score is, I think we're so
I think we're even now.
Yeah.
Oh, everyone you make
Oh
is
my god. Yeah, you're making it sound like everything I make hates
it's like a
me.
monstrosity. It's just
Why did you
make me this way?
So we are completely tied. Now we're gonna have a tiebreaker by making each other's faces.
What?
Whoever can make the other person the best wins.
I'm gonna go very avant-garde on this, okay? I hope you're ready.
It's gonna be like an exact replica.
I'm just scanning your face.
Sound effects were amazing. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Okay, I lied. I'm doing the upper half of your body because my
Doing the
pancakes
torso?
are so big.
Doing the torso?
Yep. That looks nothing like your hair. I'm sorry.
Pardon me. All right, you know what? We're just gonna go. We're going green. For now.
This is me mid-transformation to
Yep.
Hulk.
To Hulk.
I think your pancake version of me looks better than actual me.
I don't think so. I wish I had more.
I know. I wish I didn't have to ruin it. Okay, you want to reveal mine first? Okay, ready?
Flip me over.
That's Dalton!
Look at me.
Dalton, look at his muscles. Got some abs.
My
here.
little abs. Oh yeah. Oh, that's so awesome. Let me get a look at
You
him.
like it?
Pet him.
What is that?
What is it? All right, ready?
2,
1, 2.
3. Oh. Oh my god, no, I love it.
Look how pretty your eyebrows are.
Thank you. Okay, I will say my eyebrows are on fleek.
Your eyes
Thank you.
looking good, nice and.
Yeah.
What else is there left to do but enjoy the artwork?
Exactly.
And in our case, that means eat.
Yes.
That means eat.
Eat it.
Bringing
Okay,
in
we
the
got our syrup here. What are you gonna eat first? My face?
Probably.
Yeah, I'm gonna definitely
All right,
eat
ready?
your face.
I'm gonna just syrup that.
Oh yeah. Hold on. Oh yeah. Pouring syrup all over Dalton.
Oh, look at me. I'm looking sweet. Brandy, look at your face. You have a tan now. I'm gonna eat your chin. Ooh, this is good. I am,
Oh yeah. I'm definitely eating all of this. I'm not sharing with anybody.
no, I'm happy with the outcomes. Let us know which one was your favorite one.
This was super fun. If you liked watching this video, comment down below what other things you want to see us do. What other challenges you want to see us do. I'm Brandy.
I'm Dalton.
This was Ariel. Bye.
Bye.